Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic from NoSQL, that is Schemaless Database. So basically, in today's dynamic data world, this traditional use of database models to they struggle to keep in evolving demands of the modern applications or users thing. So all the schema database have been changed into or shifted into schemaless database for different uses, and they offer different and very good flexibility and agility. So in this presentation we are going to see the key characteristics, benefits and challenges of the schemaless database. So let's get into the next slide. So the key characteristics of schemaless database, the first one is it is a dynamic schema, that is it's capable of uh, storing data without any rigid structures in the form of uh, tables or rows, that is in the form of rows and columns. And this schemaless helps in adaptation to changing requirements, and it also accommodates all these changes and evolving data models. And the data type that the data is stored in schemas database in the form of is in the form of JSON based storage, which is JavaScript object notation. So it provides high flexibility and expressive formats, that is the data is easily can be shown and visualized. And this also allows, as I told you, it can be visualized. It has various hierarchical data structures which enables presentations in of diverse informations in the form of visualization. And simplified data entry, the data in schemaless database, the data entry is just simplified, that is it does not require to be stored in the form of rows and columns or tables. So this reduces the what do you say time, and also provides greater flexibility for users data to be stored in the database. Next, we have the benefits of schemaless database. The first one is increased agility, that is we can make changes, and the data in the database is adaptable to changes based on various situations, and also real time up for real time applications. Then flexibility, so it is easy for modifications and also visualization, and it also helps in handling data structures and diverse information securely, and reduce development overhead. So it is basically it reduces the development time and effort required to build and maintain different applications. This is this helps in optimizing the developer's productivity, that is helps in streamlining his applications based on the uh, application domain and also based on his requirements. So next we have how we can advantages of the schemas database, that is scaling and performance. So horizontal scalability, so schemaless database are well suited for horizontal scaling, that is allowing additional new nodes to handle increasing data volumes and traffics. This enables efficient scaling, and also meet the growing demands. So it basically, as the data and nodes increases, the schemaless database is capable of handling and accommodating all the new changes, and it is easy to meet the growing demands. Then optimize query performance. So the database actually use or deploy indexing techniques, that is zero in the form of numbers, in order to query different um operations. So hence it improves the query performance, and it ensures that the data that is retrieved is efficient with good responsiveness. Then it's cloud native compatibility, that is it is compatible with cloud architectures, making them ideal for current day real time and modern cloud based platforms. Next, so there is flexibility data modeling in schemaless database, that is there is no fixed schema, that is it allows for flexible and evolving structures. and it eliminates the rigidity of traditional data schemas among drivers and evolving data requirements. That is, it makes sure that the data is not being stored in the form of rows and columns, and also make sure that new data that comes in as new nodes can be easily attached or stored with growing demands or requirements. Nested JSON objects, it enables creation of nested data types, that is nested nodes, to say store various data types in the form of hierarchies, and also to maintain relationship between different uh, JSON objects. Schema evolution. So here the data models can change over time without existing data. So this enables seamless adaptation to evolving data requirements and facilitates continuous development. Next, we have querying and indexing capabilities. Query language support. It supports specialized languages queries only, such as MongoDB query, and it efficiently retrieves and manipulates data. And dynamic indexing, based on the dynamic indexing techniques, it automatically adapts to various data patterns, and also it easily updates data with the help of indexing, dynamic indexing. And also this dynamic indexing increases the performance of various data pat uh, it increases the performance while accessing various data patterns, which is very much responsive for the user experience. Data aggregation. So many schemaless databases offer data aggregation and analysis. Here it's basically it is supporting the developer to perform huge and complex calculations and understanding various data patterns within the data that is stored in the database. And next slide, we have what are the consideration and challenges. The first one is schema evaluation management. So basically, with new nodes coming in, we should make sure that the relationships are efficiently mapped to various the datas that are actually existing without disrupting the existing what do you say relationships and functionalities. Data integrity and validation. So these databases can pose some challenges in the form of data integrity. So we need to make sure that validation mechanisms and various data accuracy mechanisms are involved in order to prevent the errors. Inquiry optimization, since does not involve SQL query, it involves some specialized querying languages such as MongoDB. We should make sure that the optimization of the query is to the highest to make sure for fast manipulation and updation of data in the database. So that's it for the video. I hope you understood about uh, basic two advantages and what are various disadvantages and challenges that can be faced in the schemaless database. So that's it for the video. Thank you.